from Sweden. This is our apartment tour for you. There's Nick in the living room.
Hey.
Hey, hey. Okay, here's the front door. You walk into our lovely foyer, which has a shoe rack and a coat rack, which we have stocked. And then there is this storage closet, which we have our backpacks and suitcases and stuff in for now, plus Clea's litter box, a temporary litter box there. There's the mirror. And then here's the kitchen. So this is a pretty big apartment actually. So we have a little kitchen table and we have a gas stove that you actually have to like light with a flame, like a matchstick. That's what we've been using so far. And then we have our sink and a pretty big refrigerator by European standards, which we have packed with some beet hummus, pasta, spinach, peanut butter, eggs, cat food. And we have this little window. We're on the first floor, so you can see some of our neighbors over there in the little backyard. And these great windowsills for Clea, radiators, and not so effective little blinds that are up on these sliders here. And then this little kitchen area. So this is the kitchen. Back into the foyer. Here we have the bathroom. So we have our towels, but with massive Nick's Company inscribed on them. So we have this little rack that's pretty beat up. We have a little trash can and this vanity. Then there's the shower and the toilet, and everything just kind of like falls into each other, so it's pretty wet because we actually showered pretty recently. Here's the living room again. So there's this desk. Clea has made her way onto her own little mobile throne. We have a TV, some artwork, and an extra TV, and a lamp on the floor, and more of these like panel blinds that don't really close like the view from other people, but there's where we do all of our recycling. And another big windowsill with some candles. Oh yeah, and the people before us left their chonies on our radiator, so that's great. Have to dispose of those after the video is done. Some more artwork, TV box, which we're gonna put in that storage closet, so it was just left out here. Lamp. We have more artwork over here and some storage area. But you can see it's pretty big and really high ceilings. And then we have the bedroom. This lovely tripwire coming through. So we have this little area. That's a cat toy on the floor. Lamp coming from the ceiling there. Another big window with big windowsills. Another little lamp on the floor there. And then bedside table, these little rugs that came with. In Sweden, they do this double duvet system, so each person gets their own little half duvet. Kind of weird. And hello. We have this closet. So we've put what we have in here so far. 2 of our suitcases were lost, so we're kind of running on minimal, but that's just how we do it. And there's a hamper down there, which is nice. A random chair in the corner. Nick's hat collection right there. But there's this most random thing, which we figured out was a light. Oh, here we go. So there's some spider webs up there. Huh. And it's super crooked. So we'll have to fix that. But that is the Swedish house tour. So this is our temporary apartment that Massive has put us up in for 6 months. We're able to use it. I think we'll probably use it for 4 or 5 because then our stuff is going to ship over from the US. So we're ready to get into our own apartment, but we're going to make some changes here and make this a little bit more cozy for us. So stay tuned so you can see what is coming next. Bye bye. Hello.